guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you can already tell from the title, I bought a Cricut and it's been sitting on my floor for a week because I've been so nervous to open it. I'm just nervous because I'm not sure if I can actually do things with this. Like, I've watched so many videos on what you can make and how to make things, but can I actually do it? So I'm gonna try, and I decided to film this video so you guys can see what it looks like when it first arrives and what it looks like fresh out of the box. So I don't want to ramble. Let's just rip this band-aid off and let's unbox it. So let's go. So if you didn't believe that it was sitting on my floor, it's been sitting here for a week. There's my front door. They delivered it and I set it here, and it's been sitting here for a week. All right. So we have our cutting mats. This is a light grip cutting mat. Instruction manuals, everything to get you started. And the actual machine itself. So let me take this out. Oh, wow. It's not heavy, but I didn't expect it to be that heavy. So it has a nice weight to it. And we have the power cord, the USB port that goes into your computer. So it plugs in the back of the machine and it goes into your computer. And of course the marker, because the machine also writes. It cuts and it writes, so it gives you a black marker to start you off with. And I believe that is it in the box. You guys, it also came in with this box because I did get the bundle. So it comes with your scoring stylus, your basic tool set that comes with scissors, your weeder, your scraper, your spatula. I like that it's colorful with different colors. And I also got more markers, and this is called the Candy Shop pen set. That's cute. So it gives me more markers as well, so these will go along with that black one that came with it. And I also got a deep point blade. And let's see what else is in here. Oh, they gave me some vinyl. This is some window cling. Not sure if I would use this because I live in an apartment. I don't know if I want to hang things on my window, but we'll see what else we can do with that. And also came with these cutting mats. There's 3 in this pack, and this is the variety pack. So total that came with the box is 3, and I have 1 extra. So I have 4 total mats. Guys, I also forgot to mention that I ordered my machine off of Cricut's website, and because they had a sale and it was a Black Friday sale, so I paid a total of $207 for everything. Ooh, this color is really pretty. But $207 was a great price, and it included the bundle. So I think the bundle regular price is like $420. So I got it for almost 50% off. So here's a nice close-up. This color is very, very pretty. And here we go. Wow. So gorgeous. There's the power button. This is the turn knob, depending on what you're cutting, paper, vinyl, things like that. This is the feeder button. This is the cut button, and this is if you want to pause, of course. It also has these trays down here to hold your pins and your blades, which is really, really nice. And you can also put your cutting tools in here. You guys, I love this. I love the color. I know I keep saying that, but I really do love the color. So you guys, that is it. Now let's start crafting. So this is a sign that I purchased at Dollar Tree. It was in the stationery section, I believe, and it's glass, and it's actually cracked right there at the top, but you can't really see it. And this is my first project, so I just wanted to use something I already had. So what I'm going to do is try to take these words off, because I really don't use this. It was just something that I picked up to make something else out of it. So I'm going to try to remove these words and turn it into a little sign for my bathroom. So let's see how it turns out. Now we can change it back to black. Perfect. Okay. So I think we're done. Let me change the size because I don't want it this big. I'm just making it bigger so you guys can see it. So let's cut.